Hi friends, Mushroomrecipe. Today I am going to show you how to make delicious butter garlic mushroom which can be served as starter or side dish to any Indian dish, be it naan or dal chawal. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like, comment and share as it will motivate me a lot. So without any further delay, let's begin. For this recipe, I will be taking 400 gram button mushrooms which are the star ingredients. I have washed them thoroughly under running water a few minutes back, then pat them dry with a clean towel immediately after that. Let's chop them up. Now I am gonna trim their stem first. They are kind of woody and often looks very dirty even after many washes, so they need to be removed. I will be keeping the smaller one like this as it is. The larger ones of this size, I will be chopping it up into 4 pieces after trimming the tips of the stem. Let's chop the medium-sized mushroom like this into 2 halves. Our chopping is done. Let's stir fry the mushroom with other ingredients now. For this, I am gonna heat up 2 tablespoons cooking oil in a skillet over medium heat. Now I will be adding 40 gram butter to it. You can lessen the amount of butter used and adjust it by adding more oil if you wish. Let the butter melt nicely. Now I will be adding chopped onions and saute it until it turns little translucent. You don't need to fry it till it turns golden brown. You can see I am stirring it continuously to make sure it doesn't stick to the pan and burn. After 4 to 5 minutes of sauteing it, I am gonna add the sliced mushroom to the pan and cook for another 6 to 7 minutes and stirring occasionally until they are tender and slightly brown. The mushroom has started to release water now. Let the moisture dry a little bit. Now I am gonna season it with 2 tablespoons minced garlic, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon chili powder and salt as per taste. I have used half teaspoon salt for this recipe. Let the spices mix slowly over medium to low flame with the half fried mushrooms and infuse the flavor. The strong flavor of garlic when combined with tender buttery mushroom will elevate its taste to the next level. Keep stirring the content occasionally to keep in check. The moisture has almost dried up and start releasing oil instead. Let's garnish it with 1 tablespoon mixed herbs, which is a dried mixture of oregano, basil, rosemary and thyme, and half cup coriander leaves. You can also use that extra little pouch of oregano which comes with every pizza order. This is not at all compulsory, you can skip adding it. In place of coriander leaves, you can also use parsley. Slow cooking in this case will help retain the nutritional value of the mushrooms. As you can see, the color has turned into beautiful light brown, which means the mushrooms are fully cooked now. Yet they are soft and juicy. It's been about 20 minutes of cooking. Before the mushroom is all dried up and stripped of its juice, let me remove the pan from the gas. Our butter garlic mushroom is done now and ready to be served. I hope you will like this recipe and try making it. That's all for today. Keep watching and stay connected. Thanks for supporting me. See you all in my next video. Until then, bye bye.